Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to try out a new product. I picked this up at Sephora last week and it was right at the front door when you walked in. It grabbed my eye because I love a skin tint, so I headed on over and they had the Makeup Forever Super Boost Skin Tint. The cream skin tint. This is hydrating. I got this in the shade 5, so I think it should be okay. I think as a skin tint, it shouldn't be too dark, but when I'm wearing self-tanner anyways, I think this will match up pretty well. So yes, it is a perfecting moisturizer, moisturize boosting skin tint. Love that. Love all things moisturizing. It's getting to spring. This is like the driest time of year for your skin. So it comes in 18 radiant finishes. So that is a lot of different shades. So it's a light coverage, natural finish, radiant finish, hyaluronic acid, and hydrating. It's a hydrating and pumping skin tint with buildable sheer to medium coverage that leaves the skin radiant, healthy skin finish, and non-oily feel. I did apply it to the back of my hand when I was there and it felt really smooth and really soft and didn't kind of feel drying on the skin. So I'm really excited to try this one out. So if you guys are interested in seeing the Super Boost Makeup Forever moisturizing skin tint, then just keep watching. So first I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand and I just want to compare it to the Summer Fridays sheer skin tint. I'm assuming this one's going to have a little bit more coverage, but I just want to see. And I don't know if I'm a fan of this thing that you have to like pump down. Oh, okay. Actually, it comes out like very lightly, so that's kind of cool, I guess. So just on the back there. And let's try the Summer Friday beside it. Okay. So I don't know if you can see, this one is the Summer Friday and that is Makeup Forever. So they're quite similar. On camera, it looks like the Summer Friday has more coverage, but it doesn't. It's just more of a neutral tone. That's surprising. I thought that the Makeup Forever would be a little bit more, have a little bit more coverage, but that's like pleasantly surprising because I didn't want it to be too heavy. All right, cool. Let's get this on the skin. It feels really soft on the back of my hand, and there is a fragrance to it. So if you don't like fragrances, that's something to be aware of. Yeah, there's not really a fragrance for the Summer Friday. This one does have a little bit of perfumey fragrance to it. I don't mind a fragrance in my makeup, but this is a little weird, like squeezing it out like that. Just gonna go on half of the face first and see. This is creamier than the Summer Fridays. The Summer Fridays is a little bit more liquidy. And it matches great to my skin tone. Yeah, and I can see that radiance just gave a little bit of like life to the skin, but still looking very, very skin-like. That's really pretty. Really pretty and really, really light and sheer. I'm not gonna build it up. It's just softened like any kind of spots that I have. They're still coming through, which is nice. I'm really, really impressed with the finish on this. Very impressed. It doesn't look oily. It looks radiant and soft, but not oily. All right, let's blend this side out. I do like the smell of it. It smells really fresh, like it's perfumey and has a fragrance to it, but it's like a fresh smell. I thought this would be heavier. I thought this would be more of a foundation. I know it says skin tint, but I just think of like Makeup Forever, and I just think of like Makeup Forever on your face. No, just like thicker and more coverage, but really pretty. I don't like this applicator. I think that's the only downfall. And like looking at the reviews online, so it got like 4 3/4 stars, like almost a full 5 stars. And I can see why. The finish is beautiful. It's just perfect skin-like finish if you are looking for a nice light skin tint that will be buildable, so you could keep building this up with that skin-like finish. Like you just look more youthful. This is a good one, but someone did mention the applicator, and I'm like, I get that. And just how it doesn't feel as luxurious, like it's just kind of like plasticky and like you're squirting it out. But for, I think this was $49, so 50, yeah, $49, so $50 Canadian plus tax. Well worth it. Well worth it. Just makes your skin feel soft too. Really enjoy this. It's actually quite shocking looking at your skin close up. Like it's like you don't have makeup on, but your skin looks better. It's really cool. Yeah, my skin just looks more youthful. My skin was looking pretty dry. But after putting this on, it's actually shocking. I'm gonna put on the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light, I believe. This one's really nice and gives you great coverage and still looks nice and hydrating on the skin and very affordable. I'll just blend that out. Gonna do a little bit of cream bronzer. I'm going in with my Merit Beauty bronzing balm in the shade Scene or Cien. I don't know how to say it. Just want to add a little bit of bronze to the skin and not really any kind of contour, just some bronze. And just blend that out. I'm still just like, whoa. This is really cool. This is really nice and unexpected. Because I don't really, well, obviously I love skin tints. I don't like having a fuller medium coverage foundation. Obviously this one said it is buildable to medium, so you could keep building it up, but just to put something on your skin and still have it look like your skin, but better, and like seriously doesn't show any kind of like of that makeup look on your skin's crazy. And your skin feels soft. It's so cool. We're gonna do a little bit of Flesh Balm from Merit Beauty. I'm gonna go in with the shade Cheeky. This has got just like a cool pinky tone. Just gonna pop that on the apples of the cheek to give a little pink hue to the cheekbones. The apples of my cheeks. I have a neighbor. I want to hear some drama. I have a neighbor that lets their dog bark for so long. It's wintertime, it's cold. Sometimes at like really early in the morning too. And like just barking and barking and barking. And I just want to like yell out the window, let your dog in. My dog makes a peep and I'm like running to the door to let them in. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this Makeup Forever. So I just put on a little mascara to finish off the look. My mature babes, my mature women, you need to try this out. I am not like usually like, oh my god, pushing products, like if you want to buy something, buy it, but like trust me on this one. This is a great one. I am so excited about it. I'm going to take you guys to the natural light so we can look at it without the ring light around us. And yeah, oh my goodness. All right, here we are by the natural light, just looking flawlessly radiant. Obviously, I have skin texture. I am in my 40s, but my actual skin is looking so gush. So good. You can hear my neighbor's dog barking in the back. Love it. Love the way that it pairs with the Merit blushes. I guess now that I'm done, I gotta do laundry. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will link the Super Boost in my description box. If you want to shop it, you should, if you're looking for skin tint, and the other Merit products as well. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you guys again in my next video.